Hi, welcome to our channels. My channel is Dabbal Education Centers. This Dabbal Education Center is presented by Mr. Mahfuz Muhammad, your teachers, JJU Biology Department staffs, Jijiga University Biology Department staff. So, especially today, I want to present about remedial biology contents. So, to see the detail a lot of contents and also topic of or different education of related with remedial biology contents, please like, subscribe your channels because the Bio Education Center is your channels. This channel is prepared for you. So ይሄ ቻናል የሚቀርበው በመምህር ማህፉዝ መሐመድ ነው። ደባላ ኤዱኬሽን ሴንተርን የእናንተ ስለሆነ ብዙ የሪሜዲያል ኮንተንቶችን ሌሰኖችን ጥያቄዎችን ለማግኘት ላይክ ሰብስክራይብ ለማድረግ ለጓደኞቻችሁም ሼር እንድታደርጉ እርግጠኛ ነኝ። በአክብሮትም እጠይቃለሁ ቢኮዝ ይሄ ቻናል ለእናንተ ስለሆነ ለጓደኞቻችሁ ሼር እንድታደርጉ እጠብቃለሁ። ጥያቄ፣ ሀሳብ፣ ኮመንት ያልገባችሁ ነገር ካለ መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ። ኮንተንት ከወደዳችሁ ላይክ አድርጉ፣ ሼር አድርጉ፣ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። ሶ ቱዴይ ቻናሊን ደባለ ኤዱኬሽን Dabbal Education Centering channeling keessan arrammoo content remedial programmii biology module content isinii qabatee dhufee jira. Kan isinirraa eegamu immoo chaanaalii keessan kana like, subscribe, share godhuudhaan hiriyaa keessan akka godhan abdii guddaan qaba. Yoo chaanaalii kana hordoftan contentiilee remedial contentii kan kutaa 9-12 toopikii adda addaa viidiyoo adda addaatiin gaafilee adda addaa argachuu dandeessu. Kanaafuu fayyadamaa erga ofii taatan immoo maaliif hiriyaa keessaniif share hin goone? Hiriyaa keessaniif share godha. Yoo viidiyoon ani hojjedhu isinitti tole like godha, share godha hiriyaa keessaniif. Yoo yaada qabaattan naaf barreessa. Toopikiin isinii dhiyaate yoo jiraate anaaf barreessa. Kanarraa eegamu immoo wanta isin barbaachisu hojjechuudha jechuudha. Fedhii keessan guutuudha jechuudha. Kanaafuu please share, like, subscribe your channel. Let me start the first units. The first unit of biology remedial content is a science of biology. The science of biology. This science of biology is come from or taken from grade 11's biologies. Unit 1 ከተወሰደው ከግሬድ 11 11ኛ ክፍል ባዮሎጂ ዩኒት 1 ነው የተወሰደው። ሶ እዛ ውስጥ ብዙ ቶፒኮች ነበሩ about method of science, about tools of biologist, about HIV/AIDS, relevance and promotion of biology የሚል ቶፒክ ነበር። ግን ያ ሁሉ ቀንሶ እቺን ሁለቱን ብቻ ነው ያመጣው። the method of science and tool of biologistን መርጅ አድርጎ አመጡ። ሶ ቻናሊን topikiin unit 1 science of biology kan jedhamu kun mata dureelee lama of jalaa qaba. Method of science kan jedhuu fi tool of biologist kan jedhu of jalaa qaba. Tool of biologist jechuun meeshaalee biologistiin itti fayyadamu. Method of science jechuun immoo tooftaalee saayinsiin itti fayyadamudha jechuudha. Dhumaara boqonnaa kanarratti immoo nuti maal hojjennaa? Review question adda addaa hojjennaa jechuudha. Kan qormaata biyyaalessaa dhufu sanirraa isin qopheessudha jechuudha. Kaayyoon keenya isin fayyadamtanii gara fuulduraatti ce'uudha jechuudha. So at the end of this lesson or this units, we are doing or working different review questions related with these topics, because when we are working more question-based teaching and learning process, you are develop your ability to do different exams. Those especially come from Ministry of Education. So please ready to do with me, because I am here and I'm ready to help you. So when we come to unit 2, biochemical molecules. These biochemical molecules is, in another names, we say is biological molecules or molecule of life. Then we're dividing into two: inorganic molecules and organic molecules. Inorganic molecules and organic molecules. These inorganic molecules and molecules those we get from non-living parts like waters, minerals. Then organic molecules like vitamins, carbohydrates, protein, lipid, and nucleic acids. Those we get in large amounts that we call macronutrients. So unit is a meso biochemical molecules one of keessa qabatuuf biochemical molecule kun immoo maal jedhama? Molecule of life yookaan molecule lubbuu jennee ilaalla jechuudha. Inni bakka lamatti qoodama: organic molecule fi inorganic molecule jennee bakka lamatti qoodna jechuudha. So madda isaarra dhaabbannee akkasuma micronutrient jennee bakka lamatti qoodna jechuudha. As the end of this lesson በመጨረሻ ይህን ቻፕተር ስንጨርስ biochemical molecule ሁለት ቦታ አካፍለን ኢንኦርጋኒክ ሞለኪል እና ኦርጋኒክ ሞለኪል ብለን ካካፈልን በኋላ በአንዳንዱ ስለ ወተር እናያለን፣ ስለ ሚኔራል እናያለን፣ ስለ ቫይታሚንስ እናያለን፣ ስለ ካርቦሃይድሬትም፣ ስለ ፕሮቲን፣ ስለ ሊፒድ እና ኒውክሊክ አሲድ በዲቴል ካየን በኋላ ከዚህ ጋር የተያያዘ ጥያቄዎችን ይዘን እንመጣለን ማለት ነው። ብዙ ጥያቄ እናንተን የሚጠቅ ፈተና ለመመለስ እናንተን የሚጠቅ ሪቪው ኩዌሽን ይዘን እንመጣለን። ስለዚህ ከእናንተ የሚጠበቀው ቻናላችን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ላይክ፣ ሼር በማድረግ and also ሰብስክራይብ ስታደርጉ ደወሉ ምልክትን በመንካት ሁሌ እኛ የምንለቀው ጥያቄ ወይ ቶፒክ እናንተ ጋር እንዲደርስ በማድረግ እንድተባበሩን በአክብሮት እጠይቃለሁ። This content is come from grade 11's unit 2. So to get a more latest information in the contents and our program or our video is please like, subscribe your channels, make as icon, bell icon is all because to get the latest video of the Bal Education Centers. Kanaafuu viidiyoon itti guyyaa gadhiifnu argachuudhaaf subscribe erga gootan booda mallattoo dawwalaa san irra tuqaatii ol godhaa yeroo mara isin bira ga'uu danda'a. Okay, thank you. When we come to unit 3, cell biology. I hope when I'm saying cell biology, you remember something. What is cell? What is types of cell? You remember parts of cell and its functions. The cell and its environments. How cell is communicated with the environment. How substance out from the cell and enter into the cells. And also remember about cellular respirations. How our cell is prepare our energy, ATP, or ATP for their for our inner movement, for growth, for different action of our lives. So ስለ ሴል ባዮሎጂ ስናወራ የሆነ ነገር እንደምታስታውሱ እርግጠኛ ነኝ። because this cell biology እናንተ ስትጀምሩ studying 9ኛ ክፍል እያላችሁ ተምራችኋል። 11ኛ ክፍል unit 4 ተምራችኋል። ስለዚህ you define cell, you talk about study about microscopes, you study about types of cell, you study about cell theories, Robert Hooke, Anton van Leeuwenhoek, and also study about types of cell. Then we divide it into two, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Then we are going to study about parts of cell and its functions. We study about what is cell wall, what is its function, temperature, what is cell and its environment, how substance move into the cell and out of function. እንዴት ነገሮቹን ወደ ሴል እንደሚገቡና ከሴል እንደሚወጡ በጣም አይታችኋል። About osmosis, hypotonic, active transport system, passive transport system. በመጨረሻ cellular respiration ተምራችኋል ማለት ነው። How our cell is prepare energy by using glucose, ATP. They produce ATP. At the end of these chapters እኛ ጥያቄውን እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። ከዚህ ቶፒክ ላይ የሚገናኝ ብዙ ጥያቄን እንሰራለን እናንተን እንዲጠቅ። So at the end of these chapters we work review questions. So chana mata dureen kun cell biology jedhama. Boqo kutaa 9 boqonnaa 2 fi kutaa 11 boqonnaa 4 fudhatame as jalatti wanni nuti ilaallu dura waa'ee seelii hiikna. Seeliin maal? Seeliin akkamitti argamuu danda'a? Seelii argamuudhaaf immoo maaltu gumaachiti? Fakkeenyaaf maayikirooskooppii, argama maayikirooskooppii, and also cell theory illee ilaallaa jechuudha. Gosoota seelii illee adda baasanii types of cells kan jedhu ilaallaa jechuudha. Gosoonni seelii kun prokaryotic and eukaryotic warra jennee ilaallu sana jechuudha. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic. And also we see parts of cell and its functions. Caasaa seeliitii fi faayidaalee isaanii tokko tokkotti ilaallaa jechuudha. Faayidaan maayitokondooriyaa maali? Klooroplastii maali kan jedhu tokko tokkotti ilaallaa jechuudha. Itti aansuudhaan immoo cell and its environment. Seelii fi naannoo ishee. Akkamitti wantoonni alarraa gara seelii seenan, seelirraa immoo gara alaa bu'uu danda'an kan jedhu ilaallaa jechuudha. Dhumarratti immoo gaafilee adda addaa hojjannaa. Gaafii san immoo akka isin fayyadu toopikii kana wal qabatu isiniif hojjannaa. Okay, when we're starting also unit 4 of remedial contents of biology is microorganisms. Unit 4 ስለምን ያወራል? ስለ microorganisms. Kanaafuu unit 4 waa'ee microorganismii kitaaba biology kutaa 12 boqonnaa tokko. Grade 12 unit 1 and grade 9 unit 4 microorganism and disease. In these topics we will detail study about microorganisms, introduction to microorganisms, their importance, their benefit and their side effect, negative side effect of microorganisms. Then we classifying these microorganisms into the beneficial microorganisms, which means those microorganisms that benefit the human beings, other organisms, especially from 100% of microorganisms, 95% is beneficial microorganisms, as you remember. The second one is pathogenic microorganisms, which means the microorganisms are causing different diseases, different side effects on plants, on animals, including human beings. Kanaaf microorganism ilatti waa sadii ilaalla. The first one is introduction to microorganisms. We see detail what is microorganisms, types of microorganisms, and the characters of microorganisms kan jedhu tokko tokkoon ilaalla jechuudha. እዚህ ማይክሮኦርጋኒዝም ስር ሶስት ነጥቦችን እናያለን። the first one is የመጀመሪያው introduction to microorganisms ስለ ማይክሮኦርጋኒዝሙ ምን እንደሆነ ምን አይነት ታይፕ እንዳለ ካራክተሮቹን በእያንዳንዱ እናያለን ማለት ነው። ሌላው ጠቃሚ የሆነ ማይክሮኦርጋኒዝም እናያለን። በቤታችን ውስጥ የምንጠቀመው ኢንዱስትሪ ውስጥ በወዳችን ውስጥ የምንጠቀመው ማይክሮኦርጋኒዝሞችን ምን አይነት ናቸው ጠቀሜታውስ ምን አይነት ናቸው የሚለውን እናያለን። ሌላው ጎጂ ባህሪ ያለው ፓቶጂኒክ ማይክሮኦርጋኒዝምስ የምንለውን ማይክሮኦርጋኒዝሙን እናያለን። በሽታን የሚከስቱ ማይክሮኦርጋኒዝምን እናያለን ማለት ነው። So generally we'll do review questions together related with these topics. ከዚህ ጋር የሚመሳሰል ቶፒክ ጋር የሚገናኝ ጥያቄዎችን እንሰራለን because ለናንተ ለፈተና ለማዘጋጀት የግድ ጥያቄ መስራት አለብን ማለት ነው። ከናንተ የሚጠበቀው በጥሞና ማንበብና እኛም መከታተል ነውና okay when we pass to unit 5 as remember we talk about genetics. This topic is bring from grade 10's unit 2 and the grade 12's unit 3. Under these topics we talk about DNA and the chromosomes structures. ሀጀለት ዋይ ማል ይላል ዋይ ጄኔቲክስ ይላልላችሁ በዚህ ጄኔቲክስ በዚህ ዩኒት 5 ውስጥ የምናየው ስለ ጄኔቲክስ ነው የምናወራው about DNA and chromosomes structures, what is DNA look like, what is chromosomes. We will see in details በዲቴል እናያለን ከናፉ ገዲ ፈገኛን why DNA fi chromosome ilalu dandeenyachu. The second one is DNA replications, how DNA is replicate or multiply. During DNA replication, DNA is the DNA double strand is unwinded by DNA helicase enzymes. We'll see a detail of DNA replications በዲቴል እናያለን ማለት ነው። ስለ DNA replication እንዴት ነው DNA የሚባዛው የሚለው በ5.2 ላይ እናያለን። 5.2 ጀለቲ ዋይ DNA replication ይላል እቲ አንሱዳን ዋይ protein synthesis. Protein synthesis jechuun protein ከነገር ለማን አድርገና እኒ ተኮ ይሰኛ ተራ አድርገን ፊ እኒ ለመፋንሙ ይሰቃ መከኝ ከስተው ምሾቹ we get proteins in two ways. The first one is those we get from foods and the other one is synthesized by our body. During protein synthesis, DNA is converting to RNA and RNA is converting to protein. This process is called central dogma of molecular biology. When we come to 5.4, we'll talk about cell divisions. We have two types of cell divisions. The first one is mitosis. When our normal body cell is multiply, it's called mitosis. When we come to meiosis, when our germ cell or sex cell is multiply, we talk about meiosis. Under these topics, we study about the phase of mitosis and the meiosis. So በዚህ ስር ስለ ማይቶሲስ እና ማዮሲስ እናያለን እያንዳንዱ ስቴፑ ምን ይመስላል የሚለውን እናያለን ማለት ነው። እዚህ ለተዋይ ማይቶሲስ ፊ ዋይ ማዮሲስ ተኮተኮን ገዲፈገኛ ዲቴይል ኢሳኒ ይላል አጀቹ 5.2 Mendelian inheritance. I hope you remember some things when you talk about Gregorian Mendel. You remember about phenotypes, about genotypes, about homozygous, heterozygous, about pea plants, about monohybrid crosses. So we'll see detail about history and the works of Gregorian Mendel. Kanafu why Gregorian Mendel yadannu why genetics hiddu yadannu malif Gregorian Mendel is a father of genetics. Abba genetics ይትከኝነው የጄኔቲክሱ አባት ማን ነው ብለን ብንጠየቅ ግሪጎሪያን ሜንዴሌ ነው ማለት ነው። በመጨረሻ ሙቴሽን የሚለውን እናያለን። ሙቴሽን ማለት ቼንጂንግ ጂን is changed by different factors. ጂኒን ሰበብ አዳዳቲ የወጅጅረሙ ማልታ ሙቴሽን ታለችው due to different factors, maybe carcinogenic chemicals, X-ray, UV radiation, different factors affecting our genes, then it affects our generations. At the end of these topics, we are also working revocation related with genetics, related with DNA replications, protein synthesis. So, ከእናንተ የምጠበቀው those following my channels, and you get a lot of recent topics and revocation related with remedial, pre-university remedial contents, biologies. So this topic is come from grade 10 and grade 12 biology. Unit 6. So when we come to Unit 6, I hope you remember, you go to grade 12 and you remember Unit 4, evolutions. Boqonnaa jaayiroo ilaallu kutaa 12 boqonnaa 4 waa'ee evolution yaadachuu dandeenyaቸው. ኢቮሉሽንን ስናስታውስ የ12ኛ ክፍል Unit 4 biology ማስታወስ እንችላለን ማለት ነው. In these topics, we talk about theories of origin of life. There is a lot of theories talk about evolutions. የተለያየ ቲዮሪዎች አሉ ስለ ኢቮሉሽን የሚያወሩት. የነኚህ ቲዮሪዎችን በየአንዳንዱ እናያለን ማለት ነው. ቀጥሎ ያለው theories of mechanism of evolution የምንለው የተለያየ ቲዮሪ አለ. ላማርኪ ቲዮሪ፣ ቻርልስ ዳርዊን፣ ኒዮ ዳርዊኒዝም የሚለው ቲዮሪዎችን እናያለን. And also we'll see about species through natural selections. ከንጀዱ ተኩተኩት ይላላችሁ. Why theory of origin of life ይላላ, theory of mechanism of evolution ከንጀዱ ይላላ, speciation through natural selection ከንጀዱ ይላላ. Lastly ከን ይላሉ modern theory of evolutions. We'll see in the last modern theory of evolutions, speciation through natural selections, and also theory of mechanism of evolutions. As a previous units, we are also working revocations for this Unit 6 because our teaching and learning process of remedial processes, exam-based teaching and learning process. ፈተና ላይ ጥያቄ ላይ የሚመሰረት የመማር ማስተማር ሂደቱን እንከተላለን ማለት ነው. because እናንተ ይሄን በምንችለው እናንተን አግዘን ወደ የሚቀጥለው የፍሬሽማን ጆን እንድታደርጉ በበኩሌን እየጣርኩ ነው. ስለዚህ ከንስንራ ኤገሙ ጋፊሊ አዳዳዋ ነው ጀኑ ፋሊ በሩፍ በርሲሱ ኬኛ ጋፍሬቲ ከጥየፈቴ ፊ ቆርማታ ከደበርተን ከንጎዱዳ ጀቹ. Okay, this come from grade 12 unit 4. Okay, so this unit 7 about biotechnology is it's come from grade 10 unit 1 boqonnaan torba biotechnology kan jedhu kutaa 10 boqonnaa tokko jechuudha. Unit 7 biotechnology የሚለው ከግሬድ 10 10ኛ ክፍል ከዩኒት 1 የመጣው. So in this topics, in this units we have 5 subtopics, አምስት subtopics ይኖረናል. subtopication of ጀላቀምና እኒ ጀልቀባ scope and the definition of biotechnologies. Scope and the definition of biotechnology. What is scope and the definition of biotechnology? የምንለው we are defining biotechnology and also talk about scope of biotechnologies. Then we talk about different branches of biotechnology. For examples, we talk about agricultural biotechnology, the importance of agriculture in biotechnology in agriculture, the importance of biotechnology in medicines, importance of biotechnology in industrial, and importance of biotechnology in environmental. So we talk and study about grade 10 biology unit 1 and the detail and the work also review questions. So boqonnaa torba kana irratti subtopic shan qabna. Inni jalqaba scope and the definition of biotechnology, inni lammaffaa immoo agricultural biotechnology, inni sadaffaa medical biotechnology, inni afuraffaan immoo industrial biotechnology kan jennu sanii dhumarratti immoo environmental biotechnology ilaallee gaafilee boqonnaa kanaachi wal qabatan hojjannaa jechuudha. So unit 7 ውስጥ የምናየው ስለ ባዮቴክኖሎጂ ስኮፕ እና ዴፊኒሽን ኦፍ ባዮቴክኖሎጂ እናያለን። አግሪካልቸራል ባዮቴክኖሎጂ የእርሻ ባዮቴክኖሎጂ የምንለው እናያለን። ሜዲካል ባዮቴክኖሎጂ የጤና ባዮቴክኖሎጂ የምንለው እናያለን። ኢንዱስትሪያል ተኮር የሆነው ባዮቴክኖሎጂ ኢንዱስትሪያል ባዮቴክኖሎጂ እናያለን። መጨረሻ ላይ የአካባቢውን ባዮቴክኖሎጂ እናያለን። በመጨረሻ ምን እንሰራለን? ጥያቄ እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። ከዚህ ዩኒት ጋር የሚገናኝ ብዙ ጥያቄዎችን እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። Okay, this topic is come from grade 10 unit 1. Okay, the bulk unit and also very interesting unit of this remedial biology, pre-university remedial biology content is human biology and health unit 8. As you remember, these come from grade 9 and grade 10 unit 3. Grade 9 and grade 10 unit 3, human biology and health. ስምንተኛ ዩኒት 8 ስምንተኛ ዩኒት ሁማን ባዮሎጂ ኤንድ ሴልስ የሚለው እናወራለን። በጣም ኢንትረስቲንግ እና ከ9ኛ ከ10ኛ ክፍል ዩኒት 3 መርጅ ተደርጎ የመጣ ነው። በመጀመሪያ ላይ የምናየው ስለ ፉድ ኤንድ ኒውትሪሽንስ የልቀበረት ከን ይላሉ ዋይማሊ ፉድ ኤንድ ኒውትሪሽንስ we will see in the first one about food and nutritions. Under this we talk about what's food, what is nutritions, different types of nutritions, and we will see detail in about these topics. And also we come to non-communicable diseases. ተላላፊ ያልሆነ በሽታን ስለነሱ እናወራለን ማለት ነው። በሽታ ነው ግን ተላላፊ አይደለም። በዘር የሚመጣ ስፔሻሊ በዘር የሚመጣ በሽታ ነው። non-communicable disease jechuun dhukkuba hin daddarbine isa jenna jechuudha. Dhukkuba namarraa namatti hin darbine wajji nyaachuudhaan wajji dhuguudhaan namatti hin dabarsine maaliin namatti daddarbaa sanyiidhaan especially kan daddarbuu danda'an ilaallaa jechuudha. In 8.3 we talk about digestive systems. Digestive systems. So on these topics we'll talk about digestive systems, about alimentary canals, about guts, about mouth, stomach, esophagus, small intestines. Kanaaf waa'ee stomach, waa'ee intestine, waa'ee digestive system tokko tokkotti ilaallaa jechuudha. We'll see detail about digestive systems detail እናያለን ማለት ነው። The another one is respiratory systems. እንዴት ንፋስን አስገብተን የምናወጣው ፕሮሰስ እናያለን። akkamitti qilleensa galfannee gara alaatti baasne kan jedhu we'll talk about respiratory system, how we are inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. The another one is 8.5 circulatory systems, circulation systems. circulation system ምን ይመስላል የምንለው blood ደም ስራችን ውስጥ እንዴት ይዘዋወራል፣ ምን ውስጥ ነው የሚዘዋወረው፣ ምን ነው እነሱን መጉዳት የሚችለው የምንለው ስለ circulation system እናያለን። ዋይስና ጉለንታ ከነደ ደርቢሰ ዲጋ ተኮ ትላላችሁ ቃማ ከኛ ከስታ ከምት ደደርባ አከምት wantoonni samiidhu danda'an maal faadha oksijiinii fi nyaata bollaa akkamitti baadhachuu kan danda'aa fi gartuulee dhiigaa keenya hunda tokko ilaalaachu. We see and also about blood groups and blood types. In 8.6 we go to grade 10 unit 3 about nervous systems. We talk about nervous systems. I hope you remember in grade 10 we talk about nervous systems. We have two types of coordinations. The first one is nervous systems coordinations and the second one is endocrine or hormonal coordinations. We'll see in detail about types of brain, central nervous system, peripheral nervous systems in that times. So the nervous system ba detail እናያለን ማለት ነው። ገዲ ፈገኛን ዋይ nervous system hin ilaalla jechu. Itti aansuudhaan mata duree nuti ilaallu about sense organs. 8.7 we talk about sense organs. I hope you remember or as you have 5 sense organs: eye, ear, nose, tongue, and skins. Those have their own nerves. We'll see in detail. Gadi fagenyan why sense organi kana inayalan ማለት ነው by details. Endocrine glands. ስለ endocrine glands, ስለ hormones, ስለ different glands እናያለን. About pituitary glands, thyroid glands, parathyroid glands. We'll see detail its functions, its source, and also its factors affecting these glands. Lastly, we talk about reproductive systems. After we become mature, we need sexual intercourse from female and male is carried out sexual intercourse and they produce offsprings or zygotes. How we are protecting fertility by using different contraceptive methods. Maloota adda addaa kan ittiin ulfa ittisu fayyadamuudhaan akkamitti ulfa ittisuu dandeenya kan jedhu ilaalla jedhu keessatti. How we are protecting infertilities. እርግዝናን እንዴት መከላከል የምንችለው ሲስተም ላይ የተለያየ ዘዴን ተጠቅመን እንዴት መከላከል እንደምንችል በዲቴል እንማራለን ማለት ነው። At the end of this unit, we'll see or we are working about these topics, different questions, review questions related with these topics. We have more than 9 subtopics. We'll detail see about different questions related with these topics. ከዚህ ጋር የሚገናኝ ብዙ ጥያቄዎችን እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። ጋፊ ከናጆ ለትዲያቱ ሄዱሳ ወጀቹዳን as you win your studies and join freshman's programs. Another unit is unit 9. Unit 9 it's food making and growth in plants. Grade 10 unit 4. It comes from grade 10 unit 4. So in this we are talking about plants, plant organs, plant organs, about photosynthesis, transporting plants, and the response in plants in general. Parts of plants, gosoota yookaan qaamota orgaanota pilaantii tokkotti ilaalla. Photosynthesis maal akka fakkaatu gadi fageenyaan ilaalla. Wantoota photosynthesis haala mijeessuu danda'an, wantoota photosynthesis miidhuu danda'an tokkoon gadi fageenyaan ilaalla. Itti aansuudhaan immoo transport in plants. Pilaantii biqiltuu keessa wantoonni akkamitti deddeeman sochii godhuu danda'an. Nyaanni gubbaarra gad bu'ee filoomii fi zaayilamii yookaan vascular tissue san fayyadamnee nyaanni akkamitti deddeemuu danda'an kan jedhu ilaalla. Itti aansuudhaan immoo response in plants. Response in plants የምንለውን እናያለን. How plant is responding, give response for different conditions, የምንለው እናያለን። በመጨረሻ ላይ we are working review question related with food making and growth in plants. So minutes 9 it's talking about food making and growth. Under this subtopics እኛ የምናየው ስለ ፕላንት ኦርጋንስ ኦርጋኖች ምን ናቸው፣ ፎቶሲንቴሲስ እንዴት ይካሄዳል፣ ምን ፎቶሲንቴሲስን ይጠቅማል ይጎዳል የምንለው እናያለን። ቀጥሎ ትራንስፖርት ኢን ፕላንትስ how ትራንስፖርት እጽዋት ውስጥ እንዴት ይዘዋወራል የሚለው ነገር እናያለን። በመጨረሻ ሪስፖንስ ኢን ፕላንት የሚለው እናያለን። እንዴት እጽዋቶች ለዲፍረንት ኮንዲሽኖች መልስ ይሰጣል። አሁን ፀሐይ ካጡ፣ ውሃ ካጡ፣ የተለያየ ነገሮችን እንዴት መልስ መስጠት እንደሚችል እናያለን። በመጨረሻ ላይ we are doing review question related with these topics. Well, this topic is come from grade 10 unit 4. Now we are going to see the last topic of remedial biology contents. So please, if you like my video, my works, please make comment, like, and also share for your friends those found in another university. Then because little bit it help you and your friend something. So if you have question, suggestion, comment, and let me go to unit 10, ecology and the conservation of natural resource. This ecology topic is come from grade 12 unit 2, and the conservation of natural resources come from grade 10 unit 5. The emerging two units. Under these topics, ከዚህ ዩኒት ውስጥ የምናየው ስለ definition of ecology and the conservation of natural resources. What is ecology የሚለውን እናያለን። What is conservation of natural resources? የተፈጥሮ ጸጋን እንዴት ማንከባከብ እንችላለን የምንለው እናያለን። ቀበኛ uumamaa akkamitti kunuunsuu dandeenya kan jedhu tokkoon gadi fageenyaan bareechine ilaalla jechuudha. Cyclic matter through ecosystems. Ecosystem ውስጥ የሚዘዋወሩት cyclic matter የሚፈጥሩት ማተሮች እነምን ናቸው? Like carbons, like waters, phosphorus, sulfur kan jedhu maataroota ecosystem keessatti cycle godhan hin ilaalla jechuudha tokko. Cyclic matters through ecosystems. We are also study about successions. As you remember in grade 12, we will study about primary successions, secondary succession, and the climax community. And also we talk about biomes. We talk about biomes. So we talk detail about biomes, about different habitats, and also conservation of biodiversity. We talk about biodiversity by detail እናያለን። why biodiversity gadi fageenyaan ilaalla jechuudha. Then we talk and also will study about vegetation in the wild life. Vegetation and the wild life. Wildlife, the importance of vegetation and the conservation of wildlife for different purposes, for tourism, for economy, for balancing of ecosystem. Lastly, at the end of this unit, we are talking about global warming and air pollution. Global warming ማለት ምን ማለት እንደሆነ ምን አይነት ጋዞችን ግሎባል ዋርሚንግ እንደሚከስቱ like green gas, greenhouse gases, and also what is the air pollution and the side effects of air pollution. At the end of this unit, we are also doing review questions related with these topics. As the end, thank you for attending and also watching my video. I have a great wish as all of you are passing in second freshman programs. So please like, subscribe my channels. If you have questions, suggestions, comments, and like my video, follow my channel. ቴንክ ዩ ስለተከታተላችሁን በጣም እናመሰግናለን። ይህን ቪዲዮ ከወደዳችሁ ላይክ፣ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ለጓደኞቻችሁ ሼር አድርጉ። ይህን ቪዲዮ ከነዮ ጃለተን ገለቶማ ዋና ሆርዶፍተኒፍ ቪዲዮ ከነዮ ጃለተን ሞ ሂሪያ ኬሰኒፍ ሼር ጎዳ፣ ሰብስክራይብ ጎዳ፣ ላይክ ጎዳ። yoo yaada qabaattan maal akka sagantaa isin dhiyaatu irratti koomentii nuuf kennuu dandeessu. Galatooma. Thank you all of you. I love you. See you.